3 of your best revs, and go and park your vehicle. Okay, here we go. Go ahead. How about a nice round of applause for Jack, the little 289 there in that rear lane. We don't want you to blow up.
This guy.
Looks like Howie out there with a 65 Mercury Comet. You got mufflers on it, Howie? Okay, this has got the mufflers on it at 289.
Red eye.
Small block 302 stroked. Okay, here we go. What I need you to do is put the car in park or in neutral. There you go. I want you to give me 3 of your best reps. Go for it. Now it's in the muffler competition. Okay. So we've got Barbara here, and Barbara's got her Challenger. I'm going to have her tell you what it is for exhaust. This Challenger is equipped with mufflers. Barbara, what I need you to do is make sure it's in park, okay? And give me your 3 best reps. How about a nice round of applause for Barbara? That sounded pretty nasty. And that went out to Jennifer Ginsinger. Be there. Thank you very much, Jennifer. And I also have our rest of our names for our winners. I'll call another winner up probably in about 20-25 minutes or so. And right? But I used to go over there to the Village Tavern and play some pool and yeah, listen to Crystal Blue Persuasion. It was some really good times. This is Steve Miller. I got a heart like a wheel. Okay, want to let everybody know voting ballots must be turned in at this time. You are the one. Got a story for all those songs. I remember listening to that song coming home from a place I used to work with in Troy and had a Nova. My buddy was driving his Nova. The air shocks blew out. He had something like a set of N50 15s on it. At 2 o'clock, okay, and we're going to go through them very quickly today. We're going to get you back out of here. I want to really thank everybody out here that came today. We know it was warm out today, but unfortunately we go through a lot of work to plan these shows, and we want to make it a good show. You're our number one priority out there, you vehicle owner. This is a real weird one, but he's looking for a radiator cap for a 32 Chevy. I think he said it had an eagle on it, so if anybody out there knows where there's a radiator cap for a 32 Chevy, stop up and we want to get to a fast. We're going to get it there. We're definitely going to get there. But we can't get it there without your help. This is such a today and being with us here at the show. I want to thank Capital Cars.